Welcome to our channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you. Top 5 Best Benefits of Using Turmeric in Daily Food. Turmeric is a popular spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, particularly in South Asia. It contains an active compound called curcumin, which is known for its potential health benefits. Now we will discuss top 5 best benefits of using turmeric in daily food in this video. Number 1 is anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin in turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and various chronic diseases. Including turmeric in your diet may help reduce inflammation in the body. Number 2 is antioxidant power. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radicals and oxidative stress. These antioxidants can help prevent cellular damage and slow down the aging process. Number 3 is joint health. Turmeric is known for its potential to alleviate symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and improve joint function. Some people even find relief from conditions like osteoarthritis by incorporating turmeric into their diet. Number 4 is digestive aid. Turmeric has been used traditionally to aid digestion. It can stimulate the gallbladder to produce bile, which can aid in the digestion of fats. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe digestive issues and reduce bloating. Number 5 is brain health. There is emerging research suggesting that curcumin may have a positive impact on brain health. It may help enhance cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin are thought to play a role in protecting brain health. Conclusion. It's important to note that while turmeric offers these potential benefits, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Also, curcumin's bioavailability is relatively low, so consuming turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, can enhance its absorption in the body. If you have specific health concerns or are considering using turmeric supplements, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching our channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you.